Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Lakeside Green at Jurong Lake Gardens. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Jurong Lake Gardens. Hi guys, today I'm here in Jurong Lake Gardens at Lakeside Garden. So I'm just going inside to Lakeside Green guys. Yeah, look at that view guys. That's the MRT railway. Yeah, it's beautiful. Jurong Lake Gardens. Yeah, I'm just going to Lakeside Green, guys. If you're going to Lakeside Green guys, you need to alight at Lakeside MRT. Today the weather is really good. So I'm here now at Lakeside Green guys, at Jurong Lake Gardens. Yeah, this is Lakeside Green. Lakeside Green guys is a lot of plants or flowers. Yeah, look at these flowers guys. And also a lot of trees here and plants. Just only beside at the pavilion. or the floating boardwalk. Yeah, this is Lakeside Green, guys. The people are watering the plants. Yeah, the weather is really good today. It's beautiful. Yeah, there is a bench, guys. If you're tired, you can just sit down and rest for a while. There's another train coming. Yeah, it's very beautiful now, guys. This place is good for cycling, walking, and at the end there is a skate parks, and also for family bonding, guys. And this is Rainforest Pavilion. Yeah. This is called Rainforest Pavilion. There's a vending machine there. If you wanted to drink, you can buy a drinks over there in vending machine. Yeah, this is Rainforest Pavilion. Yeah, look at the view, guys. It's really beautiful and amazing. Yeah, Lakeside Green at Jurong Lake Gardens. And this is the bougainvillea, guys. Mostly of the plant here you can see in Lakeside Green is bougainvillea. I mean another plant or flowers. Bougainvillea is a genus of thorny ornamental vines, bushes, and trees native to eastern South America. They have large paperly looking specialized leaves known as bracts that surround three tiny flowers. The bracts protect the flowers and attract pollinating insects and birds with their bright colors. So yeah, this is guys bougainvillea. So I'm just going down in the pathway here at Lakeside Green. Another train guys. So I'm just going down here in the pathway guys. The view, it's really beautiful. Yeah, look at this view guys, it's really beautiful and amazing. Another train guy passing by. It's really good weather. Yeah, look at the view guys, it's so beautiful. Yeah, it's really beautiful and amazing guys. It's beautiful view. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that it will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys. Take care. I love you.